Hello, students. I hope you all are fine. Ajit Singh from Colonel's Bradland Public School will teach you computer of grade 6. So, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 2 more on Windows 10. So, let's start with the part 2 utilities of Windows 10. Windows 10 provides many utility programs for day to day applications and entertainment. For example, Windows Media Player, Disk Cleanup, Step Recorders, Character Map, Notepad, Collector, Math Input Panel, etc. Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player runs and organizes the digital media files, both audio and video, available in a computer memory. We can listen to the radio station from all over the world of internet connection is available. This software allows us to play, copy, and create CDs and DVDs and copy music and videos to portable devices. Let's know more. MPEG-H is a group of standard development by the Moving Pictures Experts Group. MPEG for Digital Container Standard, Audio and Video Compressions Standard. RIP CD to your computer. We can copy songs from our favorite music CDs and DVDs onto our computer with the Windows Media Player. When we rip music, we are actually copying songs from a CD to a computer. After the songs have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the songs, create playlist, and copy music to a portable devices. Click on the start button and then choose the Windows Media Player from the list. Insert a audio CD and DVDs in the CD DVD drive. You will see a list of songs stored on the CD DVDs in the Windows Media Player. Uncheck the checkbox next to any song that you do not want to rip, and you can use the checkbox at the top of the list either to select all or clear all checkboxes at once. When you are done with the selection of process and click on the rip CD button, the ripping process will start and you can see the rip status of individual songs. To stop the ripping process at any point, click on the stop rip button. Click on the rip setting button if you want to change the format, audio quality of rip music file, and or you can keep the default Windows Media settings. The songs are ripped to the music folder contained in this PC folder. After the songs have been ripped, go to the music folder to play them. All right. Tip for you students. You can also burn a CD or DVD using software just like Nero, Express, Burn, etc. Copying data to CD to DVD, burning a CD or DVD. How to burning a CD or DVD? Let's know. And saving important information on a CD or DVDs is easy as saving on a hard disk. You can create your own CD DVDs by selecting a folder of your software or media files and dragging it to CD and DVDs icons in this PC folder. Insert a blank CD or DVD in the CD or DVD drive of your computer. After that, the burn a disk dialog box appears. Mention the CD name in the disk title text box, select the option with the CD or DVDs players and click on the next. An empty disk folder opens. Now drag the files that you want to burn into the folder and click on the Finish Burning option under the Manager tab. Again, a button to disk dialog box appears. Click on the next button. Windows Media Player will open. Click on the Start button placed under the Burn tab. The songs will get burned to the disk. Disk cleanup. Oh, if you want to remove some unnecessary files from your hard disk and disk to free up disk and space and there to help your computer run faster, you can use the disk cleanup feature. It emphasizes the recycle bin, removes the temporary internet files, downloaded programmed files and offline web pages and other items that are not being used for a long time. So let's know using a disk cleanup. Click on the Start button. Scroll down the Windows Administrative tool. Disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in this search box and press the enter key. In the disk cleanup, drive selection dialog box will open, asking you to the selected drive. Select the drive. Now click on the drop down arrow and select the drive that you want to clean. Click OK. This function will search and display the unnecessary files which can be safely deleted. Select the file that you want to remove and click OK. Working with the control panel. Control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current setting of Windows. There are may include appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and software setup and the configuration, system and security, network and internet, user accounts and family safety, setting clock, language and region. These settings control nearly everything regarding Windows and appearance, internal setting and personalization. They allow you to customize Windows the way you want to. You can open control panel in the following way. Click on the Start, scroll down to a Windows system. Select control panel from the displayed sublist. Type control panel in the search box and press enter. Changing date and time. This option allows you to change the computer date and time. Click on the date and time option in control panel. The date and time dialog box will appear. By default, the date and time is selected. To change date, click on the change date and time button. The date and time setting dialog box will appear. Like the current day displays in the calendar, and you can change the month using the forward or backward arrow button present on the calendar. To change the time, this is a very simple. Simply to change the hour, select the hour text box located below the clock, and click on the spin arrow to increase the decrease the hours as desired. Similarly, you can change the minute and seconds. After that, click OK. The date and time setting of the system will change accordingly. Alright, so now changing the mouse setting. Let's know, students. You can customize the mouse setting in various ways, such as changing the appearance of mouse pointer and changing the function of the mouse buttons, or alternative altering the scroll speed of the mouse. Select the mouse option in the control panel. The mouse properties dialog box will appear. The button tab is selected by default. It provides options to change the settings of mouse buttons, like swapping the functionality of the left and right buttons to increasing or decreasing the double click and speed, etc. Under the button configuration sections, and select the checkbox to make use the right button for the primary functions, like selecting and dragging. To change the double click speed of your mouse, drag the slider towards left, make it slow, and towards right to make it fast. Under the double click speed select section, to test the speed, double click the folder given on the right side. If the folder does not open or close, try using a slower setting. To change the appearance of your mouse pointer, click on the pointer tab. Here you can change the size, color, and shape of your mouse pointer. To change the pointer image, click the scheme drop down list and choose any mouse pointer scheme. You can also change the pointer images for particular functions, like normal select, busy, etc. That's like this. To do so, and click the pointer function in the customize section, and then click on the browse button. Double click on any file name and observe the change. Click on the apply button to incorporate the change. Click on the use default. You can also adjust the speed of your mouse pointer by clicking on the pointer option and tap dragging the speed slider present in the motion section, and drag the slider from slow to fast under the motion section. Click on the apply button and then click OK. Replacing double click with the single click. Windows has a feature to replace double click sections of your mouse with the single click. Open any file program एक ही बार क्लिक करने पर ओपन हो जाए. Follow these given simple steps and forget the practice of double clicking. To single click, click on the file explorer option in the control panel. The file explorer options dialog box appears as shown in the figure. Turn on the single click to open an item option present under the click items as follows section. From the single click sub options, prefer to turn on the underline icons, the titles only when I point to them. Click on apply, then click OK. Enjoy the experience. Remember, To select any item from a list, you just have to place the mouse pointer there. The item would be highlighted. To open any program document, just click on it. Sleep mode is a power saving state where the computer does not turn off completely. So in this state, monitors and hard disk are turned off. All open documents or application are put in the RAM, and system draws a small amount of power. It allows the computer to quickly resume full power operations when you start working again. Sleep mode is useful if you want to stop working for a short time. Thank you.